morning everyone. On behalf of our research team of Axis Securities, we'll talk about the market outlook. Firstly, the Indian indices are expected to open in the green. SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.4%. Things to watch out for: counting of votes in Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh assembly elections. Also, government raises tariffs on electronics to curb imports. Forex reserves fell $1.04 billion to $400.9 billion in a week to December 8. On the corporate front, Container Corp has signed an agreement with Government of Andhra Pradesh for setting up an integrated logistics and manufacturing zone at Machilapatnam. Yes Bank will be included in the S&P BSE Sensex effective today. State Bank of India has completed the transfer of 14% stake in SBI Cards to GE Capital. We initiated coverage on PPAP Automotive in the auto ancillary space. The rationale is being expanding Indian auto market, OEM relationships are mourned, diversification adds strength. It has sealed itself from EV disruption. Also, it has technical collaborations in its name. It has industry-leading EBITDA margins close to 17 to 18%. The capex is behind, the return ratios are set to improve, and it is a steady compounding story. We estimate PPAP Automotive to report revenues, EBITDA, and PAT CAGR of 14.5%, 17%, and 30% for the next 3 years, with strong improvement in return ratios and steady 20% dividend payout. We assign a PE of 17.1x on FY20 with a target price of 700 and upside of 26%. On the technical front, Nifty started the week on a flat note and traded with extreme volatility on either side for most part of the week. However, last session buying momentum pulled index higher to close in green. It closed at 10,333 with a gain of 68 points on a weekly basis. Chart pattern suggests that if Nifty crosses and sustains above 10,355 levels, it would witness buying, which would lead index towards 10,370 to 10,390 levels. However, if index breaks below 10,315 levels, it would witness selling, which would take index towards 10,295 to 10,270 levels. Stocks looking strong: AI Engineering, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare, M&M, Shriram Transport Finance, Wockhardt, Aarti Industries. Stocks looking weak: Cox & Kings, eClerx Services, EID Perry, Greaves Cotton. USDNR opened with a downward gap and remained negative throughout the day. It closed at 64.1 with a loss of 0.49%. Chart pattern suggests that if USDNR breaks and sustains below 64.05 levels, it would witness selling, which would lead USDNR towards 63.9 to 63.75 levels. However, if index crosses above 64.18 levels, it would witness buying, which would take USDNR towards 64.3 to 64.45 levels. Nifty futures closed at, on the derivatives front, Nifty futures closed at 10,359.5, increased by 0.81%, with 5.22% decrease in open interest indicating short covering. Nifty futures closed with 26 points premium compared to previous day premium of 24 points. FIs were net buyers in derivative segment to the tune of 730 crores. India VIX is at 14.94. Among stock futures, Bata India, Apollo Tyres, M&M and BHEL have witnessed long build-up and may show strength in coming session. Stocks which witnessed short build-up are Cipla, Hexaver, Anantech and Power Grid and will remain weak in coming session. So this is from our end. Thank you.